Okay, breaking news coming in now. Kangana Ranaut insulted, and we have the INDIA leaders who are continuing to back those remarks, which many, including activists, are calling derogatory. Sanjay Raut's reaction with us. Listen in.
कंगना जी का ऑफिस बीएमसी ने तोड़ा था। कुछ इलीगल गैर कानूनी काम वहाँ हो गया था, इसलिए तोड़ा था। ये मोदी जी का संदेश है। इस देश में कौन से भी गैर कानूनी चीज नहीं चलेगी। ये नरेंद्र मोदी, ये गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी का इस देश का संदेश है। इसलिए हमने मोदी जी के आदेश का पालन किया और गैर कानूनी चीज को उखाड़ दिया। अब उखाड़ कर कोई बाहर जाकर कोई काम करता है तो करने दो उनके स्टेट में, लेकिन अगर मुंबई को कोई पीओके बोलेगा, पाक व्याप्त कश्मीर बोलेगा, तो क्या मोदी जी को ये मान्य है? उनके देश का हिस्सा जिस देश के प्रधानमंत्री है, अगर उनके देश की कोई व्यक्ति मुंबई जैसे शहर को पीओके बोलेगी, तो क्या मोदी जी और अमित शाह जी ये स्वीकार करेंगे?
All right, interesting reaction coming in from the side of INDIA partner Sanjay Raut of the Sena UBT. Niyamika joining us live on the broadcast. Niyamika, many including activists are saying that the remarks by Supriya Srinath were derogatory, but it looks like that the INDIA partners or the Congress's allies are in no mood to condemn these remarks. We have Sanjay Raut, who's basically not only refusing to condemn Supriya Srinath, but also once again highlighting that what they feel the action which was taken on Kangana Ranaut's... okay, Niyamika, hold on to that thought. We will go to China NC first. China NC, what do you have to say about the latest reaction coming in from Sanjay Raut, INDIA partners, allies of the Congress party at the moment, not ostensibly and outrightly denouncing the statement by Supriya Srinath?
You know, it's so sorry to have people who are colliding for power to stoop to any extent to demoralize women in public life. I don't expect better from the Indie team because all they can do is character assassinate. For anybody in public life, it could be somebody from the film fraternity, somebody from the legal fraternity or the fashion fraternity. If they choose to work for public at large, what is wrong and why should it be questioned? Question on the work being done. Do not question and make these character loose comments and assassinate a woman who has chosen to be a part of nation building and service to the country. Let the voter decide. And if the Indie Alliance is so insecure and has no topic to talk about as a vision plan, then I think their days are numbered. On 4th of June, the women of this country will give a befitting answer to not just Supriya Srinath and the Congress, but all their allies as well, who choose to be absolutely discouraging to women in public life.